guys, a rare video of me without the helmet. I'm out here riding with my friend. We just went shopping, going back home to chill now. Så redigerer jeg bare det hele sammen til sidst. Så hver dag så lægger jeg bare en video ud, som der er ligesom en videodagbog for den dag. Jeg er på dag, jeg ved ikke, 240 eller sådan noget nu i træk, har jeg gjort det. Ja, men formålet det er ikke rigtigt, at det skal være en videodagbog. Det er mere, formålet er mere sådan at vise folk, hvordan det kan lade sig gøre at leve, uden at skulle arbejde en helvedes masse og tjene en helvedes masse penge og tricks til at spare og ja. Så nu har jeg så været inden for et stykke tid, så der, altså jeg har stadig vist folk nogle tricks i forhold til sådan at vaske op nemt eller hurtigere, og der er alle mulige forskellige tricks, men jeg glæder mig til at komme ud igen og vise folk, hvad det rigtig handler om. I'm gonna go make some dinner. I ended up hanging out with Moss, the guy on the bicycle. He's the guy I've been hanging out with basically every day. He's a nice guy I know from like 10 years ago. And today I asked his permission to, you know, like include his likeness, you know, to film him. And he said it's all good. I'm gonna make some food for the two of us. I'm pretty sure he's hungry too. Let's see if I can find what I need. Here we are, heating up this janky double-sized oven, cooking the bolognese sauce with meat inside it, and I got the pasta ready here. I'm gonna take this when it gets creamy and thick, drop it in here, mix it a bit, cover it with shredded mozzarella. Let's go. Alright, I got the bolognese sauce mixed up with the pasta. I'm spreading out some mozzarella on this. It's gonna be good. Oh yeah. Even coverage. Man, it's nice just being able to buy unrestricted the kind of food that you want, even if it's not the most economical option available. Yeah, having a little bit extra to splurge. Get organic stuff. It's so easy to get organic variants here in Denmark. Oh yeah. Alright, let's get this in the oven. 20-25 minutes and it's done. Alright, dinner's ready. Check it out. It's like the Danish version of mac and cheese. Almost. And I got mine right here. So basically it's got this bolognese sauce with the pasta that boiled in it. So the pasta's got a bunch of flavor. Then it's got this cheese, which is crispy on the top side, but like melted underneath. It's like perfect. Alright, itadakimasu. I finished dinner with Moss, but we forgot to shop some things earlier. Like we're gonna need more milk, and we need some organic rolled oats as well. And yeah, just a few things. Yes, he's been sleeping all day. He asked me if I wanted to, if I could buy some delicious for him, some kind of snack. So I gotta find some for him too. Oh yeah, and the commune need toilet paper. Very important. Only 2 rolls left. And between 12 people, that's 24 cheeks. That's not a lot of toilet paper. So let's get some. I bought some steel sponges for this place so we can properly clean up some of these pots. They're not looking too good. And also some toilet paper. What else we got here? Oh yeah, I got some more rolled oats and milk. Organic. Oh yeah. And I even got a little bit of candy. Hey, a little bit of Danish wine gums or gummies, whatever you want to call them. The sour ones. Check it out. Pretty good. I'm gonna go over and hang out with Moss now. Oh yeah, I got some disgusting candy for for Yes as well. He wanted licorice and like weird Danish candy, quote unquote. Oh, now I got myself some real candy. Let's go. Oh, and of course, did I forget it? I did. 1 second, I'm gonna have to go back. Okay, let's go back. I forgot my booster. I got one of those Faxacundi boosters. That energy drink I love. Not so much for the energy, just for the flavor, man. It's just delicious. Where did I put it? There it is. I forgot it in here. Hey. I'm just on the way back to my room from hanging out with Moss. Look who I found. It's Jazz. He loves my petting. I know what I'm doing, huh, buddy? I'm gonna go hang out with Stony, maybe Dion now. Let's see. Good night, Jess. It's the middle of the night. Look who joined me. He came in the room. Now I'm just petting him. He's sitting in my lap. I'm just hanging out with Stony in voice chat. Watching Elisha Long on YouTube, the retard maxer. This is nice.